Hello Green Bay viewers, Eden is here. I'm happy and excited to show you the final transformation for this beautiful full house project. Come with me to check it out.
I thought it was really smooth. I had a very clear vision on what I wanted the final living space to look like. And Eden, my project manager, helped me pick out all the materials. He scheduled appointments with me. We went and picked out the tiles, the LVP. We went through exactly what the final floor plan would look like and fit everything in. And also sequencing things like, cabinets come first, then tiles. So I appreciated that level of detail of starting with, the big pieces first, then adding in all the designs. My expectations were to really just translate this mental image that I had of my living space into reality. And looking at the before and after, yes, Green Bay absolutely met those expectations. We went through the planning, design, the actual construction work that had to happen, all the way till cleanup and delivery of the space. I thought Eden was communicative and responsive and helped guide me throughout the design and planning process.